Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent Vibes. How AI is helping you learn English faster and smarter. I'm Sarah, and as always, I'm joined by Ali. Today we're diving into how AI is, totally shaking up the way people learn English. It's honestly wild how fast things are changing.
Yeah, hey folks. If you look at how we learned English back in the day, textbooks, cassette tapes, those clunky language labs, it's like night and day compared to what AI can do now. It's not just about memorizing grammar rules anymore, right?
Exactly. And what's really exciting is the global reach. You've got platforms powered by AI being used everywhere. From classrooms in London to, Seoul, or even way out in rural areas. Actually, I have this friend in India. She lives in a pretty remote village. And for the first time, she was able to access high-quality English lessons through an AI app. It was honestly life-changing for her. She went from barely speaking English to holding conversations in just a few months.
That's amazing. And it's not just about access, it's about the quality too. These AI systems can instantly adjust to what a learner needs. So if you're struggling with, say, listening skills, the app just gives you more practice right there. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing anymore.
Yeah. And I think that's what's so powerful. It's making English learning not just more accessible, but way more effective for people all over the world. And honestly, it's just the beginning.
So, speaking of making things more effective, let's talk about vocabulary. I remember slogging through those endless word lists in school. But now, with AI-driven programs, it's like, wait, I'm not just memorizing random words, I'm actually learning the stuff I need when I need it.
Totally. These programs actually adapt to your level, right? So if you're, say, struggling with business English, the AI will pick up on that and start feeding you more relevant words. It's so much smarter than just flipping through a textbook.
Yeah, and I've seen it firsthand. My nephew moved to the US last year and he was having a tough time with English vocabulary. We got him on this AI app and I kid you not, within a couple months, he was using words I didn't even know he knew. The app would notice what he was missing and just fill in the gaps. It's way more efficient than what I had growing up.
That's such a good point. And it's not just about speed, it's about confidence too. When you know the words you're learning actually matter to you, you're way more likely to use them in real life.
Exactly. And it's not perfect. Sometimes the AI gets a bit overzealous and throws in some weird words. But overall, it's just a smarter way to build vocabulary.
All right, so let's get into pronunciation. Because this is where I think AI really shines. Getting instant feedback on how you sound. That's something I wish I'd had years ago.
Oh, for sure. I remember trying to mimic those old cassette tapes, and honestly, I still say schedule wrong half the time. But now you've got these AI tools that listen to you, analyze your accent, and give you tips right away. It's like having a personal coach in your pocket.
Yeah. And it's not just about sounding native, it's about being understood and feeling confident. I actually used an AI speech coach before my first international conference. I was so nervous about my accent and clarity, but the app gave me real-time feedback, and I could literally see my progress. By the time I got on stage, I felt so much more confident.
That's awesome. And, these tools are helping people prep for job interviews, presentations, even just everyday conversations. It's not about perfection, it's about being able to communicate and be understood wherever you are.
Absolutely. And with AI getting smarter all the time, I think we're just scratching the surface of what's possible for English learners. But I think that's a good place to wrap up for today. Ali, thanks for sharing your stories, and thanks to everyone listening.
Yeah, thanks, Sarah. And thanks to all of you for tuning in. We'll be back soon with more on how tech is changing the way we learn. Take care, everyone.
Subscribe to Fluent Vibes and join us next week for a demo episode. See you next time.